Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're stepping into the realm of innovation and performance with the much-anticipated 2025 Chevy Corvette SUV. Get ready to explore the fusion of speed, style, and versatility as we dive into the details of this groundbreaking vehicle. The 2025 Chevy Corvette SUV represents a bold departure from tradition, expanding the legendary Corvette lineup into the realm of high-performance SUVs. With its iconic design cues, exhilarating performance, and advanced technology, this vehicle redefines what it means to drive a Corvette. At first glance, the Chevy Corvette SUV captivates with its dynamic and muscular presence, drawing inspiration from its sports car counterpart. The SUV features sculpted lines, aggressive aerodynamics, and signature Corvette styling cues that command attention on the road. From the bold front grille to the sleek profile and muscular rear end, every aspect of the exterior design exudes athleticism and sophistication, setting it apart from the competition. Step inside the Corvette SUV, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for the ultimate driving experience. The driver-focused interior features premium materials, ergonomic controls, and intuitive technology, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through winding roads, the Corvette SUV offers comfort, convenience, and performance-oriented features that cater to your every need. With spacious seating for passengers and versatile cargo space, this SUV is as practical as it is exhilarating to drive. Beneath the hood, the Corvette SUV packs a punch with its high-performance engine options and cutting-edge technology. From powerful V8 engines to advanced hybrid powertrains, this SUV delivers exhilarating acceleration, precise handling, and uncompromising performance on any terrain. Equipped with state-of-the-art driver assistance systems and connectivity features, the Corvette SUV offers a seamless driving experience that keeps you connected, informed, and in control wherever you go. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a daily commuter, this vehicle delivers the perfect balance of power, agility, and refinement. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevy Corvette SUV represents a bold new direction for the Corvette brand, combining the iconic styling and performance of the legendary sports car with the versatility and practicality of an SUV. With its striking design, exhilarating performance, and advanced technology, this vehicle offers a driving experience like no other. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of automotive excellence. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest innovations and developments in the world of cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.